Hello and welcome to brick tip number 67. I've been working on the swing carousel trying to tighten up the mechanics a bit, and one issue I keep having is that the axles on the worm gear drive, because there's a lot of forces and weight, they continually slip. No matter how many bushings that are put on an axle, sometimes no matter what, if there's a lot of torque involved, they are going to move. So I had a thought on how to put a stopper on one end of the axle to keep it locked in place. So here it is in a nutshell. I'm going to break it down for you and show you how it works. But this just relies on simple Lego geometry and applying that using beams and pins. So if we first take a look at the underside of a plate, see there's a very small cavity in there, and an axle can fit in there just fine and still turn with no issues. Now if we take those plates and put it on a Technic frame and you slide your axle in, those plates can act like a stopper. Now the question is how to lock all these plates on top of your Technic frame. To do that, we already have holes for half pins. So we put those in, and then our plates, they lock in fine, but if you get a lot of pressure, you're still gonna have those plates popping. What I discovered is that if you use Technic beams and you space them 3 apart and you put those in like so, and then take another Technic beam and just ride that beam on top of the studs, that completely locks in those plates. I love when solutions like this present themselves in Lego, especially when you discover them by surprise. This is a great, elegant solution to being able to put a stopper on those axles, especially if you wanted to block the axle in both directions so that there was no slippage one way or the other. This is a great way to do that. If you do use this in one of your projects, I would love to see it, so you could post a picture to our Facebook page. Hopefully you've found this useful. If you have, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and share it around so that others can enjoy it. Thanks so much. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming of bricks. Bye-bye.